Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. My name is KT, and today I'll be telling you about the 30th anniversary Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee made its debut in 1993, and over the past 30 years, it has become the most awarded SUV in history. Today, we pay tribute to its legacy with the special edition 2023 30th anniversary Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. The powertrain combines two electric motors with a lithium-ion battery pack with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine to produce an impressive 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. The powertrain also produces an estimated 25 miles of nearly silent electric propulsion. The MSRP of the special edition package is $4,700, and it includes many distinctive design elements. Some notable exterior elements include the 30th anniversary liftgate badge, a modified front fascia with black surrounds, and the signature 4xe blue tow hooks. A cohesive look will be obtained with the body color rear fascia, door moldings, sill claddings, and wheel flares. We also have the signature black package that has 20-inch black noise wheels as well as dual exhaust tips. Inside the vehicle, you will find a 10.1-inch Uconnect infotainment system. Now, this will include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as 3D navigation. This special edition will also have our black capri leather seats available throughout, as well as a dual-pane sunroof. A standard feature is an Alpine audio system. This is a 9-speaker system designed to immerse the vehicle occupants in high-definition sound. My favorite feature is the wireless charging station, where you can charge up to 2 devices simultaneously. The 30th anniversary version will come standard with many driver assist features. Time and time again, the Jeep Grand Cherokee continues to set the benchmark in world-class craftsmanship. For more information, be sure to visit us online at jeep.com.